How to check the LLC status in Florida. To check the status of an LLC in Florida, go to the Sunbiz Business Entity Search page at https://search.sunbiz.org/inquiry/corporation search/by-name. Enter the LLC name in the search box. You can type the full name or just part of it. For best results, leave out designators like LLC or L.L.C. and avoid using punctuation. Click Search Now. If the LLC exists, it will appear in the list of results. Click on the business name to open the detail page. On the detail page, you'll find information about the LLC, including the entity name, document number, FEI or EIN number. If listed, status, filing date, principal address, registered agent, and annual reports. The status section will tell you if the business is active, inactive, administratively dissolved, for missing an annual report. If it's listed as inactive or administratively dissolved, it means the business is no longer in compliance or was closed. If it says voluntarily dissolved, the owners chose to shut it down. If you're managing your own LLC, it's a good idea to set a reminder for annual report deadlines, or use a service like Northwest Registered Agent to stay compliant.